Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about purchasing that used vehicle that you've always wanted, right? Sometimes people get blinders on when they go to look at a vehicle and they forget to do the things that are extremely important. Yes, walk around the outside's important to make sure that you like the way the vehicle looks, etc. But there's a lot of other items you should really be concerned with. Number one is a quality inspection by a qualified facility. Most AAA repair facilities like the West Automotive Group do what's called the AAA pre-purchase inspection. It's a very in-depth inspection, checks everything from filters to brakes to taking good looks at things such as, do we have any coolant leaks? Is there any suspension component issues going on? How do the belts look? How do the hoses look, etc. Very important stuff. So make sure you get your vehicle in and get it inspected properly. The second part is Carfax. Check the history on your vehicle. Find out, is it salvaged? Has there been any serious accidents the vehicle's been in, etc. Doing these types of things will help prevent you from getting a vehicle that causes you headaches in the future. We'd like to make sure that you get a safe vehicle and a vehicle you like. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.